Here is the 9100 roller latch lock. We're showing it here with the 7200 ADA handle, and basically you can throw a bolt for security. You have your two ADAP rigid pulls here. So this would not be a lock that latches, but it would be a roller latch that engages the indentation of this strike plate. And then of course when you want security, you could throw the bolt into the strike plate. So again, this is the roller latch with a very high tension. As the door closes, you can open and close it freely, but it does hold the door into place. The deadbolt will throw the bolt for security. And then on the opposite side, we have a cylinder where the key will facilitate throwing the bolt, retracting the bolt, and two rigid ADAP handles made from stainless steel, through bolted, again, industrial strength for commercial use. Quick recap, this is the 9100 roller latch lock. It has a spring-loaded, highly spring-loaded roller latch to hold the door into place. 7200 ADA handle to throw the bolt. You can retract the bolt or throw the bolt. Two rigid stainless steel handles. Complete system for a roller latch.